Wow. Frosty! Come here. Frosty, come here. Frosty, come here. Frosty, 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 Frosty. Wow, they must be getting tired. Look at him go. Bubby, Bubby, come here. Frosty, come here. Frosty, come here, come here. Frosty, Frosty. Oh, they hit.
Huh?
They hit.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna. Frosty, come here. Frosty, come here. Come here. Come here. Cut.
Frosty.
Come here, Frosty. Come here, Frosty. Come here, Frosty. Come here. Come here. Good job. Good job. They have to be really tired. Are you tired, Kitty? Must be tired, huh? Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Hop off.
What are you doing up there? Oh.
Frosty, come here. Come here. Come here. Tired? Okay, this is Frosty right after he flew that big old flight. Let's see how out of breath he is. You don't look out of breath. You're pretty tough, Frosty. I mean, all that flying, and he's not even breathing. His wings aren't out. He's not breathing hard or nothing, huh?